In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your email marketing efforts on HubSpot. Together, we will walk through the steps necessary to access the user guide and make full use of HubSpot's email marketing tools. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manage and analyze your email campaigns effectively. First, let's start by heading over to the user guide page in HubSpot. This is a fantastic resource where you can familiarize yourself with the platform's features. When you access HubSpot, your first port of call should be navigating to the user guide located at the top of your home screen. This guide provides detailed insights into all the features HubSpot has to offer, allowing you to explore various functionalities with ease. Once you're on the user guide page, the next step is to locate and click on the Marketing tab. This will bring you to a new page dedicated to all the marketing tools available in HubSpot. It's worth noting that HubSpot's marketing suite is robust and designed to help you manage your campaigns seamlessly. Within this section, you'll find tools and features to enhance your marketing strategies, ensuring you can effectively reach and engage your target audience. Next, click on the Email option. This will guide you to the Email Marketing section, where you can manage all your email-related activities. Here, you'll find everything you need to create, send, and monitor email campaigns. The interface is user-friendly, making it simple for marketers of all experience levels to craft compelling emails that resonate with their audience. After you're in the email section, your next move is to click on Manage. This area is where you can oversee your email campaigns, track performance, and make necessary adjustments. The Manage section helps you stay organized by allowing you to sort through different campaigns, monitor their progress, and ensure that everything is running smoothly. It's your central hub for keeping track of all your email marketing efforts. Now, let's explore the Analyze option, which you'll also find within the email section. Clicking here is essential for understanding the effectiveness of your campaigns. The Analyze section provides you with valuable insights and data about your email performance, including open rates, click-through rates, and more. These analytics are crucial for making informed decisions about how to improve future campaigns. Furthermore, clicking on Health will take you to an overview of your email campaign's deliverability status. This step is vital in ensuring that your emails are reaching your audience as intended. HubSpot's system will offer suggestions to improve email health, helping to increase the effectiveness and reach of your emails. Finally, to create a new campaign, simply click on Create Email. This is your opportunity to start fresh and design a campaign tailored specifically to your marketing needs. HubSpot provides an intuitive email builder with templates and customization options, making it easy for you to create professional-looking emails aligned with your brand's image. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to leveraging HubSpot's powerful email marketing tools efficiently. Remember, with practice and regular analysis, you can significantly enhance your email marketing efforts. Happy marketing!